Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update Instagram to get new features. If you're using Instagram and you want to update your Instagram app to get latest features, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your App Store or Play Store. You have to keep in mind that you don't have to use any other way to update your Instagram app because sometime whenever you try to update your Instagram app, it might be using your browser or another third party source, so it will cause to add bugs or malwares into your Instagram app, or there's the threat of being account hacked. So you just have to try to use your App Store or Google Play Store to update your Instagram app. Just open your App Store here and just go to search in the bottom right, and you just have to simply search for Instagram. Once you have searched, you'll get the app. You just have to select Instagram app here, and if you have any update, you just have to tap on this update option, and your Instagram will start it updating. Or if it doesn't have any pending update for your Instagram, so here you'll not get any update option. So it means that you're already on the latest version of Instagram. So in this way, you can easily update your Instagram app to get the latest feature, or you have to also try to regularly update your Instagram app to prevent or to fix bugs and malwares to your Instagram app. So in this way, you can easily update your Instagram to get the latest features. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.